Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in Obsidian. Adjusting the font size can make a huge difference in your overall experience, especially if you spend long periods reading, writing, or organizing notes. Whether you want larger text for better readability or smaller text to fit more content on the screen, Obsidian provides simple ways to customize it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know where to find the font controls, how to adjust the size, and how to make quick changes whenever needed. Start by opening Obsidian on your computer and loading the vault you want to work in. Once you're inside the application, look toward the bottom left corner and click the Settings icon represented by a gear symbol. This opens the Settings panel, which contains all of Obsidian's customization options. Here, you'll find controls for appearance, editor settings, plugins, hotkeys, and much more. In the sidebar, click Appearance. This section controls the visual side of Obsidian, including themes, fonts, colors, and interface scaling options. Once the appearance settings are open, locate the Font section. Depending on your version of Obsidian and the theme you're using, the font settings may appear slightly different, but the font size controls are usually easy to find. Look for the option labeled Font Size. This may appear as a slider, a numerical value, or another adjustable control. Increase the value to make text larger, or decrease it to make text smaller. One of the most useful aspects of Obsidian's font settings is that changes are applied immediately. As you adjust the font size, you'll see the text update in real time. This allows you to quickly determine whether the new size feels comfortable for reading and writing. Take a moment to review one of your notes after making an adjustment. Read a few paragraphs and evaluate how the text looks on your screen. A font size that feels comfortable can reduce eye strain and improve focus during long work sessions. If you experiment with different sizes and decide you prefer the original settings, simply click the Restore Default option. This instantly returns the font size to Obsidian's standard configuration. For users who frequently switch between different tasks, there may also be an option for quick font size adjustments. If available in your setup, enabling this feature allows you to resize text without reopening the settings panel every time. Once enabled, you can typically hold the Control key on Windows while scrolling your mouse wheel to increase or decrease the font size. On Mac, the Command key is commonly used instead. This provides a convenient way to zoom in or out while working. Quick font adjustments are especially useful during presentations, meetings, screen sharing sessions, or when reading detailed notes on different display sizes. When choosing a font size, try to find a balance between readability and screen space. Larger fonts are easier to read but display less content at once, while smaller fonts allow you to view more information but may become difficult to read for extended periods. You should also remember that themes can affect how text appears. Some themes use different fonts, spacing, and formatting styles, so a font size that works well in one theme may feel different in another. After you've selected a comfortable size, simply close the Settings panel. Obsidian automatically saves your preferences, so your chosen font size will remain active the next time you open the application. And that's all there is to it. Open Obsidian, go to Settings, select Appearance, adjust the font size, and use quick controls when needed. With just a few simple changes, you can create a more comfortable and productive note-taking experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.